What if your plants are not failing because of pests, weather, or even fertilizer, but because of one hidden mistake that most growers repeat every single day without realizing it? And what if fixing this one factor could instantly restart plant growth and dramatically increase your yield? Most growers assume that slow plant growth is caused by lack of nutrients or poor seeds. So they respond by adding more fertilizer or watering more frequently. However, this often makes the problem worse. Overwatering, poor soil structure, incorrect spacing, and lack of root oxygen create a hidden stress system that prevents plants from growing. The result is weak stems, yellowing leaves, and low productivity, even when all visible conditions appear correct. The real issue is not what you see above the ground, but what is happening below it. Plant growth depends on root health, and root health depends on oxygen, spacing, and soil structure. This is governed by principles studied in plant physiology and soil science, where root respiration and nutrient uptake are directly affected by soil compaction and water balance. Smart farming systems focus on optimizing root environments instead of simply adding inputs. This approach transforms plant growth from reactive to controlled and predictable. First step is understanding that roots need both water and oxygen. Overwatering fills soil pores and blocks oxygen, effectively suffocating the plant. Proper irrigation must allow the soil to dry slightly between watering cycles to maintain a balance between moisture and air. Healthy soil must be loose, well-draining, and rich in organic matter. Compost improves structure by increasing aeration and microbial activity. Studies from organizations such as Food and Agriculture Organization emphasize that soil health is the foundation of sustainable crop production. Incorrect spacing is one of the most overlooked growth limitations. When plants are too close, they compete for light, nutrients, and root space. Proper spacing ensures optimal growth and reduces stress. This principle is widely used in commercial farm design to maximize yield per area. Modern farms use sensors and automation to monitor soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels in real time. Drone systems can identify growth inconsistencies across large fields, allowing targeted intervention. This integration of technology reduces guesswork and improves efficiency, while basic improvements such as composting and spacing are low cost. Integrating smart farming tools requires investment. Entry-level soil sensors and monitoring systems can range from moderate to high cost depending on scale, but they significantly reduce input waste and increase yield. Over time, the return on investment becomes evident through improved productivity and reduced crop failure. When these principles are applied together, the transformation is immediate and measurable. Plants develop stronger root systems, absorb nutrients efficiently, and grow consistently. Farms that once struggled with slow growth begin to produce uniform, high-quality crops. The difference is not luck but system design. Traditional farming reacts to problems, while smart farming prevents them before they occur. At the beginning, we asked whether one hidden mistake could be stopping your plants from growing. The answer is clear. It is not the plant but the system around it. When you correct the root environment, you unlock the full potential of your crop's. Plant growth is not controlled by chance. It is controlled by structure, balance, and intelligent management. Farmers who understand this principle will always achieve better results than those who rely on guesswork. Now consider this carefully. What do you think is the number one reason your plants are not growing? Is it watering, soil, or spacing? Comment your answer below and explain your situation. This will improve the results for you and for others. Learning from your experience before you leave. Test your knowledge. What is the most common hidden cause of poor plant growth? Letter A. Too much sunlight. Letter B. Lack of root oxygen. And letter C. Too many leaves. Leave your or comment your answer below.